Hello, Jason from Boise. This is Alexis from Taylor & Son Chevrolet here in Ponderay, showing you this 2011 Dodge 1-ton. I'm going to do an overall video of just its condition and everything, since you can't be here to see it in person quite yet. Special shout out to the Broncos. I just graduated from Boise State, came back this spring. Boise will always have a place in my heart. Wanted to show you just up here on the front of the hood, there are some chips in the paint, my fingernail for reference, and it's just mainly among this front dash here. It's a little bit of rust in here. And I apologize for that sound, that's just our garage doors. Got another chip up here. I'm sorry about all the snow as well. We just had a couple inches. Thankfully it's melting here off pretty quickly. These are those wheels. Very nice in person. Close up of the tread there. A little bit of rust there. Got a couple more chips along the running board side. Alright, and we'll head in. So these boards will step down when you open. Got the light in there. We have the floor liners in here. That keeps it in very good condition. Keeps a lot of that mud and dirt out. No real rips or tears in the leather or anything. We do have one snag on the headliner up here. No real major. Little bit of staining right there. No tears or anything. There's the sunroof. We got our dash here. We got the back seat. We have floor mats back here, still very clean condition. Got a tiny little snag on the leather. Just a little piece of thread right there. No rips or tears that I'm seeing back here. Alright, we have a couple more chips back here. Fingernail for reference. It does look like we are missing a screw right there just for comparison. Alright, we have the back of the truck. There's a little dent here as well as some rust where the paint's coming off. We have another one here, just a little dent. Some chips here and there. Trying to show you the bed, but we got a lot of snow back there right now. You will have some chips in the bed though. Try and give you the best view I can back there. Along here on the side. Just a couple more chips in the paint overall. We do have here where the paint is lifting up just a bit. Alright, and we'll head in the back here. A little bit where it's just a little lighter in the plastic. It's not torn or anything there. A little bit of staining in the headliner in the rear. Leather's in very, very good condition back here. Freshly detailed. Didn't look like they had a lot of people in the back seat. Overall very clean. Alright, and hopping up here. Again, the leather is in very good condition. This is that headliner. There's just a little bit of staining in there. And there's a little snag here. It doesn't appear to be a burn mark or anything. You know, this truck does not smell like smoke. I don't believe it was ever smoked in. It doesn't really have a smell at all of anything. Dash is in good condition. I don't even really see any scratches on the steering wheel or anything. Little bit of wear on the button, that's about it there. You do have some wear on here, a little bit of scraping on the console. And then we will, there's a little bit of just chips along the bottom there. Again, we just want to be as transparent as possible in this. All right, Jason, if you have any questions, please let Rebecca or I know. We would be glad to help you out, and we hope to see you this weekend. Thank you.